Hi, pleasant good night. So it is currently probably about 10 after 10 around the yeah. So what's up? What's up? What's up? So I am going to try to make a video to upload it to my YouTube channel. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, right? I do hope that you guys enjoy this video. So while I'm setting up on my laptop is coming on, right? Let's bring it down a little bit. Yeah. So while I'm setting up on my laptop is coming on, um, we could have a little discussion. So if you want me to make any particular video for you, that's not a problem. But I'm just talking based on my experience and expertise, right? So today it's going to be uh, the real truth about forex and in the Caribbean. So we're gonna talk a little bit about that, right? While this laptop is organizing itself, I would like to show my charts. So yeah, while this laptop is organizing itself, so show my charts. I'm not getting any power here. Hold on, just a sec. Right, so I'm back. Laptop is charging, so we have power. So it didn't have power. So we're gonna talk the real truth about forex before we get into the chats, right? So I know you all maybe don't want to see my big face, so I'm gonna try to record it together um with the chat, right? Okay, so the real truth about forex and forex trading in the Caribbean, my thoughts and opinion on that, right? um what do I think about that? I think it's a really great opportunity, that's for sure. Two, Trini like to spoil things. Trini like to spoil things. That's one. And as we as Trini, we like easy money. That is another thing. So we like easy money, right? I'm joining with computer audio. I could do that, but I'll pause the audio. Um, Pause the audio. Share screen. Share my screen. Share screen. Hold on. Share my screen. Alright, so we are looking like we are recording and we're good to go. And this would be our charts that we're going to open up here. Right, so we look like we are recording. Great. So so I'm currently recording. So I'm gonna join the two things together while I'm having this discussion because I want to show you guys just a little bit on the chat. So my thoughts on forex in the Caribbean is a great opportunity. I am not a professional trader. I'm not giving you financial advice. I trade basically for myself. I know my way around the markets. That's definitely for sure because of the time that I have spent in this particular trade. Um, you know, one of the most major thing I see in our country and in the Caribbean, well, mostly I'll see Trinidad, right? Trinidad is like it's like a mini America. The way how we this function. Um, we like things fast. So, for example, most companies would come up with trading and a trading program and with affiliate marketing and all these things. And a trainee would see that and want to make somebody who trading feel bad. For example, I'll use that one this morning, right? My father said, I see this so and so individual doing crypto. So watch me. Who doing crypto? When he calling me, I was like, he doing crypto? Yeah, he getting our returns. Up to now, I fed up tell my father, I do not do those things without do, but he don't understand this up to now. He feel crypto and trading is something that you don't have to put in no work. This is actually literally work. And God bless those who actually take time and spend it. So all you making millions and then good for you. That is basically great for you, right? I good with my dollars. My dollars paying a bill at the end of the day. I don't have to drive a BM. I don't have to drive a big fancy car and put myself in all kind of problems. But anyway, so to you, when that trading program close off and you have no sort of income coming, you are going to be looking for the next thing to program, to promote another program to promote. And I've been seeing that trend in Trinidad for the past 10 years. That person would find something promoted, and when that die off, they jump on something else. And you know what they like to do? They like to give quotes on books and motivation and feeling days. You know, for example, the ones who was doing cash effects, they went in another one and they're done with that. I see they going in health now. You know, the health a little more stable and the crypto. Everybody had a time, everybody had a season. So my thoughts and opinion in the Caribbean for trading, treat it like a sport. Treat it like treat it like a hobby, a chess game, chess board. Treat it. You find a way that could motivate you to go in these charts and actually learn it. So once you could find that, you will actually acquire and learn some trading patterns and all these things, right? So, everybody say, put your money here, invest your money here, and yet still I could find a legit investment. And people say, put your money in crypto and do this and put that there. And I just fed up with the whole internet as, but actually, these people who doing these affiliate programs is actually making people so frightened after they make an investment and they lose out. They don't want, when a good thing come, they don't want to have nothing to do with that. So that is basically how the crypto trading and investing going. So it's late. You see, I'm yawning, right? Yeah. So you should get into it for yourself. Don't let nobody stop you. This is something that you want to do. Uh, for some people, well, basically, the internet has lots of information on trading forex. You don't have to look at me for everything, but I would appreciate it if you like and encourage your channel to grow, because I will have some valuable stuff um in there, my videos that you may want to hear or see. So um yeah, so if you're looking for a broker to trade, the one that I use, I'll put a link in the description. If you are looking for a cryptocurrency card to trade and spend crypto, I have that link in the description as well. Um, yeah, and my recommendation to you is open up a demo account and start a trade. Now, I a forex trader, crypto trader, but I like to hold crypto long term. All these things like options and pocket options and stuff, don't even think about messaging me, ask me about that, because I never really spend time in that gives you like quick in and out trades, and that is not me. I like to place a trade and I know it will head in one direction for 3 4 days, 5 days, a week, etc. I good with that. That is me. Right? I don't like fast money. So one of the reasons why I don't like fast money, because my culture is from Trinidad and we like fast money. We like things to happen now. So I had to digest that and get that out of my blood, because if you really want to make it, you really have to think long term. So, that is just that. Okay. So my chat is up, but before I want to show you this, it's really cool. So I recently got, with crypto money, I got like a couple of stuff for myself. So this ball here, I actually got it today. I do hope that you like it. And I also get myself Alexa. First time I got myself an Alexa. So it's already set up.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
So watch this, right? Um, yeah, so Black well, before Black Friday, last week, Amazon had some sale earlier on in November. So I purchased something I wanted to purchase like some good years when I first saw it come out, which is Alexa. So I finally got one of that, and I want to do some smart locks and stuff around the place and cameras and thing. But I say, okay, let me try out the bulb. So I got the Alexa bulb, and so I realized that it is cool, but it catch me just now. So for example, I got the bulb, and well, you're leaving on your light switch, but you can just see and the light will cut off if you download the app on the phone, or if you have the Alexa. So it works with either the device or it works with the Alexa on your phone. So either way, so I didn't know how to set up this device, and I had it on my phone, and I realized, boy, I had to unlock my phone to put on my light. That was really funny. That was like, and then before battery died, so I was like, but anyway, it's still cool. I really like it, and I done in it, so I'm not going back. And I recommend that you get one of that or a couple bulbs, because I got myself like 8 bulbs for the whole entire house. And watch how cool it is, right? So it's on bright white, So I'm gonna say probably red. So let's check. Alexa, turn off office light.
Okay.
You see, Alexa, turn on office light and turn it blue.
Okay. Okay.
That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. Alexa, turn office light purple.
Okay.
I like it. I really like it. I love it. Alexa, turn office light green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn office light green.
Okay.
It's nice. It's nice. It's really nice. It's definitely nice. So Alexa, turn office light white.
Okay.
So we back. Right. So enough of this. Let me talk my trading talk. Right. Right. Cool. So y'all, I like it. Yeah, I know. I know. I like it. I play with it whole evening. Um. Cool. Great. Nice. So we are currently looking at the charts. I think my mic is on, right? So we are currently looking at the charts. Um, let's look at the daily chart, which is the D1. So if you've been following my previous videos since I started this journey, you supposed to know by now how to get your MT4 either on your laptop or your phone. What is the time frames for the different charts, the period separator, um, etc. I don't think I'm gonna run it through in this one. If you didn't see it, maybe you want me to make another video because this is the first one I believe I'm actually sharing my uh, laptop screen, right? So we are between each white line here. That would represent 1 month because I am on the daily time frame, right? So we want to know, for example, what we see here. The class as support and resistance. So what we want to do is use something called trend lines. You know, I wouldn't start trend lines. I think I did tell you guys we would do indicators. But should I do trend line? Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna talk about indicators in this video and basically forget the charts because what happened, most persons would start off their forex journey with feeling like they have this indicator here that is the holy grail, right? And actually indicators is somewhat of a lag. It's past price, and I don't really trade with indicators. I trade with market structure, what I see and where I know price is going ahead. So meaning I take a trade in that aspect area, right? So let's talk indicators. So the MT4 on my laptop or my mobile phone comes with some standard indicators, right? If you want all kind of colorful and all kind of millions of indicators and stuff, it has that. But we just want to talk here about just the standard ones that comes with the system for free. And paid. So if you look at the top, you are going to see a page with a green plus and an arrow down, which is over here. When you click that, you're going to see oscillator, distribution, alligator, um, directional movement index, true range, or some oscillator. Then you have for trend line, well, trend, this would be class if a market is trending either on the up or the down. You would have average directional index, Bollinger Bands, envelope, Fibonacci, moving average, uh, SAR, standard, um, divergence, um, right, so you have volume, right, so you have oscillators with the average range, bear power, bull power. Well, you catch the drift, right? So basically all these indicators is here for a specific reason, as they say, is to guide you in your trading journey. So some of the main indicators people like to use would be the RSI. If I don't know if you ever heard about the RSI before, and I don't know if you ever heard about a moving average, right? So those two indicators is two highly used um, two highly used indicators in the business, and also the average true range. Now the average true range is an indicator that I like to use because it will give me an average of the past day. So for example, well, we're going to talk about that in another video, but I'll just bring it in here. Pips. So pips, um, the average true range gives you past information on pips, right? So like yesterday, let's say it moved 60 pips. I know today I'm looking for a trade, and the average true range for the past 14 days had an estimate of 65 pips. So I know, okay, I saw my setup today and I saw prices heading in a particular direction. And for the past 14 days, the average true range tells me, which is this indicator here, right? Period 14 days, right? So it tells me um, for the past 14 days, it has moved 79 pips for the past 14 days. So I know, okay, if I'm going to take a trade today, um, that would give me an average of, okay, if I'm going to enter here, I'm looking to go at least 60, 70 pips, and I'm out for that. That is simple. That is just how I like to do it. If I know that market has been going in a direction for a very long while, and I put my average range, I don't even use it. I let that trade run with stop trailing, etc. Right? Um. So another indicator that I mentioned would be so removing the average range. It will be the moving average. Right? Let's put up a moving average. let's do the 20 moving average, leave it red. So you would see it come up on the charts. So the moving average is like a indicator that's basically if the price, as they say, if the price is above, you buy. If the price is below, you sell. If it touch, you buy, you sell, etc. Right? If it touch the moving average, you could buy it, you could sell it, depending on the direction the market going. Right? But I use the moving average I use it in a different way. I use it to guide me through and tell me the momentum of the market. So it gives me, I use it for momentum base. So in terms of momentum base, I'm gonna just use this for example in momentum base, right? Um, let's say momentum, right? It's above here, it goes up, it comes down, right? So okay, when it break up to here, does the down cover this up run the down? No. So that means it has momentum in the market still for me, right? Because it hasn't come back down. And I know that, hey, okay, when I want to see when the momentum is dying, basically I use my moving averages like that. So once the momentum dies off, I look for trades. So I know that it has this run and the pullback did not exceed the run up. So it still has momentum in the market. So it goes back up again to here and it comes back down basically to here. So I know that there's still momentum, there's still buys in the market. That is how I use my moving average. So I know, okay, it has here and he basically, if you look at it, that is the lowest point and I'm expecting that area to break. So if it comes down here and do nothing and actually breaks, to me, this was more than 100% takeover, about 120, 130. And now I'm waiting on a pullback. The pullback would be the same momentum to the downside. So now this is the down, this is the up. So I know that this is all it could do. So once he breaks structure and he show me some bearish movements, I'm gonna take that trade when it touches the moving average. So basically that I use my moving averages as a momentum. Some people use their moving averages basically totally different from that is that. Yeah, that is how simple it is. So indicators, there are moving averages. You can add multiple. You can change the colors. Let's add a next one. Let's add it to 50 and let's put it green. Well, I'll leave it the 50. I'll leave it red and the 20. I'll put it green. Right, cool. Yeah. So some people add two more moving averages. So like when my green and my red cross, they're looking for a trade. I'm telling you from my experience, since I'm trading, I start off with that strategy and boy, I get licks. I get licks. I get licks. I'm telling you, I get licks. I got licks. I definitely got licks with that. It looks what I would say in forex and my experience. Everything looks good at the when thing is not there, but actually when you take a trade, you actually it's a different feeling. So when you take trades in forex and with real money, it actually bothers you. And as the months and years goes by, you don't even study that. Sometimes you lost, or sometimes I lost 100, 150, 200 US and my money, well, money that I took from the market, and I gain it back. So it's always a give and take. And yeah, so good. So we cover moving averages. We cover. I'm just talking here. I'm just not doing anything professional. I'm just having a discussion with you. This channel is to have discussions with you. Right. So we have the RSI. Yeah, the relative strength index. Let's do that one. Oscillator. Relative strength index. Let's talk that. So you're going to see this blue line here. So we have a 30, we have a 70, and we can add a line. They like to add a line in the middle to 50. So they say. So they say. So persons actually say in their mind if the moving average is above um 50 and it comes back down, it's going to have, if it's trending, you get the leg till they come up and you make money. So basically the moving averages, the 70 line, which is this line here, once it touches that and goes over that, beyond that, they say the market is in an oversold area. So when they say it's oversold, it's not to sell. At the beginning of my trading journey in iMarket Live and whatever I was doing, I used to say, okay, when the market reach there, is to sell it. So at 70, when the market reach there, I sell it. Sometimes I'll get through, sometimes I'll get licks. That is just basically life and how it is. And the 30 line, when the market reach on the 30 line, and it touches, like it touch over here, right? They say it's the buy. At the beginning of my journey, I used to buy, but I get relics for that. Right? I get relics. I get lick up. So let me show you why is that. So I even have indicators that I purchase and I design and I write and I code my own indicators, moving average, touch alert. Or there's not an indicator I'm trying and there's not an indicator that I didn't use. There was so much of indicators, countless of indicators, right? So let me give you an example. So the price actually touched the oversold here, which would have been this red candle. Let me see if I can get one more zoom for you. It will be this red candle here. So it said sell, right? Here. So that over here, it's oversold. So that means to buy. So we had a red candle here. If I took that trade, I would have made a little profit if I was looking for a one-to-one, etc. The next time it said sold, mind you, let me show you. It said sold quite here on this one here. So it can, if I take a buy here, if I did buy it here, just the first one over here I would have got through. But this one here, if I'm going for a buy at a touch, I would have never got through because I would have got stopping out for more down. And then when he push up, he definitely did come again. So it keep on touching. And that is something I learned about indicators. Don't trust it. Um, that is just based on my experience. You can use indicators to give you a guide, right? Not to trust it. And there is not any indicator that there's the holy grail. So if you are looking to trade, the best thing for you to do is looking to price action, where price is at, you know, make sure you understand your support and resistance, etc., etc., etc. And things will be nice. Things will be nice. You know, things will be nice, right? Yeah. So it keep on touching and touching and touching, and then eventually, So yeah. So guys, I do hope that you like this video. It's getting a bit late. I'm sleepy. I'm just trying to be constant in it for you so you could see a good 2025. We could see a good 2025. Um, yeah, yeah, we could see a good 2025. So I hope that my videos help you guys, inspire you to trade and pick up our trading chat. It's going to be difficult for some of you all because we have jobs. Um, I wish, I could have gotten some years back and say, let me just sit down and do this thing. But, we all here for a purpose, a journey, uh, to help one another, etc. Yeah. So I do like this. You should get one of this. Um, it's real nice. It's nice. It's nice. All right. So have a blessed night.